Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today I'm going to talk to you about our window cleaning kit. We all can relate to the dreaded task of cleaning our windows, especially when you use a window cleaner and you think your window is all clean, and then the sun shines in the window and all you see is streaks, which is basically just that cleaner built up on your window. So with eCloth, all you're using is water and the cloth. This waffle-weave cloth is our window cleaning cloth, and how you know it's the window cleaning cloth is it says window cloth. The other cloth is the glass and polishing. So I wet my cleaning cloth, and I'm going to take this cloth and I'm going to clean the window. And I'm getting all this pollen off our window. And you can see the pollen on my cloth after I've cleaned it, right? So I'm gonna fold it over on the clean side, and I'm just gonna do one more wipe, and then I'm going to take our glass and polishing cloth, this thin cloth that comes in the kit, to dry the window. So no paper towels are necessary, no cotton rag, nothing, just the cloth that comes in the kit. You'll have no streaks because you're just using water, and no lint from the drying cloth. And that's how easy it is to clean windows. So that dreaded task of cleaning your windows is dreaded no more. After you've used your eCloth to clean a surface, you always want to rinse the cloth out really well under the faucet. And the reason for that is our eCloths are very good at getting up dirt and grime, better than anything you've ever used before. So you want to agitate the cloth a little bit and then rinse the cloth out with warm water. After I'm done with that, I usually take the cloth and drape it over my faucet. But you can put it out to dry wherever you'd like in your kitchen. And then when you need it again, you just take it back out, you wet it to activate the cloth, and then you clean. And then after you've used the cloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about eCloth.